Good morning, students. Now, in our first chapter, My Body, this chapter we shall study about the breathing system, the skeletal system and the sensory organs present in our body. So first of all, we shall discuss about the breathing system. Now question is arise, what is breathing? All living things take in oxygen and given out carbon dioxide. This process is called breathing. The process of breathing takes place continuously without any rest in all living beings. If this process stops for more than 2 minutes, the living beings can die. Which parts of your body are involved when you breathe? In our body, during the breathing system, or breathing system another name is respiratory system, nose, windpipe and lungs. These three parts are involved in this breathing system. Now we do an activity. You have take the air inside it. It is cool air, that is oxygen, and release the air from your body, means out of the body, that is the carbon dioxide. It is the warm air. This warm air is carbon dioxide. In breathing system, there are two terms, inhalation and exhalation. You see the picture here. Inhalation means enter the air inside the body. The process of taking air into the lungs, that is called inhalation. And another picture show the exhalation, means air out from the body. The process of breathing air out from the lungs, this is called exhalation. The air that we breathe in or inhale enter our body through the nasal opening of the nose. The nose is connecting to two balloon-like structure inside the body by a tube called the windpipe. The two balloon-like structures are called lungs. How our lungs work? In the lungs, oxygen is taken up by the blood and carbon dioxide is unloaded. This carbon dioxide is then driven out of the body or exhaled through the nose. The oxygen-rich blood from the lungs is circulated to all parts of the body. Blood also collects carbon dioxide from all parts of the body and bring it to the lungs. In our body, two-sided lungs, left side and right side. The right side lung is slightly larger than the left side of the lungs. We understand that during the breathing process, oxygen is consumed by the body. This helps different organs to get energy to perform different body functions. Also, carbon dioxide is driven out of the body as a waste product. Our breathing system is always at work because we have to keep breathing all the time. When we are sleeping, we are eating, we are walking, any time, all the time, to keep our breathing continue. Physical exercise like running, walking and playing help to keep our body and our breathing system healthy.